Good morning, children. Hope all of you are fine. Today, we will start the new chapter from the politics textbook, the constitutional design. In this chapter, we will discuss about why do we need constitution, making of the Indian constitution and guiding values of the Indian constitution. Do you know what is constitution? The constitution of a country is a set of written rules that are accepted by all people living together in a country. Constitution is the supreme law that determining the relationship among people living in a territory and also the relationship between the people and the government. So what is constitution? The constitution of a country is a set of written rules that are accepted by all people living together in a country. Then, why do we need constitution? Or what is the importance or necessity of constitution? First, it generates a degree of trust and coordination that is necessary for different kind of people to live together. All these different kinds of people are ruled by the same law. So it generates a degree of trust and coordination. Second point, constitution specifies how the government will be constituted, how the government will be formed, and who will have the power to take which decisions, which organ of government take decision or make laws, which organ of the government will implement laws. So all these things were clearly mentioned in the constitution. Then third point, it lays down the limits on the powers of the government. It controls the powers of the government, and at the same time, it tells us what the rights of the citizens are. And at the same time, it gives some rights to its citizens. Then fourth point, it expresses the aspirations of the people about creating a good society. So, what is the importance or necessity of the constitution? First, it generates a degree of trust and coordination that is necessary for different kind of people to live together. Second point, it specifies how the government will be constituted, who will have the power to take which decisions. Third point, it lays down the limits on the powers of the government and tells us what the rights of the citizens are. Then fourth point, it expresses the aspirations of the people about creating a good society. Next, we will discuss about the topic making of the Indian Constitution. India's constitution was drawn up under very difficult circumstances. Let's discuss about the difficult circumstances under which the Indian constitution was drawn up. At first, making a constitution for a huge and diverse country like India was not an easy task. Then, the people of India at that time were emerging from the status of subjects to citizens. It means that till 1947, we were the subjects of Britishers. It means that we were under the control of Britishers. But on August 15th, 1947, we got independence and there was a transition from the status of subjects to citizens. So all these things were new experiences for Indians. So it created some confusions in the minds of Indians. Then the country was born through the partition on the basis of religious differences. It means on the basis of religion, India was divided into two, India and Pakistan. At least 10 lakh people were killed on both sides of borders in partition related violence. Next, when the Britishers were ready to left India, the British had left it to the rulers of the princely states to decide whether they want to merge with India or with Pakistan or remain independent. So the merger of these princely states was a difficult and uncertain task. As you know, when the Britishers came to India, India was divided into small kingdoms under different rulers. They were independent rulers. So when the Britishers were ready to left India, we had to unite all these independent kingdoms together under Indian Union. So the Britishers had left this question, or Britishers had left it to the rulers of the princely states to decide whether they want to merge with India or with Pakistan or remain independent. So, the merger of these princely states was a difficult and uncertain task. And at that time, the future of the country did not look very secure. Because of these reasons, the makers of the constitution had anxieties about the present as well as of the future. Let me conclude today's session. Hope all of you have understood the content clearly. For your reference, I have uploaded the URL. Go through it. Notes are also attached along with this. A test question paper is also there. Try it yourself. Thank you.